Teltoon original production at DHX bloopers. Now take one. Cut. DHX media, where are you? And why did I just see a person just got hit by the Teltoon logo? You're supposed to show DHX, not just Teltoon. Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Take two. You to the factory backwards. You're in the blooper series too. Clap. DHX. I mean the backwards. The factory backwards. Teltoon original and DHX. You are not supposed to be backwards G major. And who the heck is this? Marcus or something? Or Alex Kimball? Just take two. By the way, you need to be normal, okay? I want to say XHB. It's supposed to say DHX, not XHB. Take two. Cut. It's not supposed to be in G major 4. Let's try again. Take three. Cut. It is not supposed to be it is not supposed to be whoa, it's not supposed to be a G major. Take it's supposed to be normal, okay? Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Take four. Number. Cut. It's not supposed to be dark. Excuse me, I must have belched. Anyhow, cut. DHX media, Teltoon, and the factory backwards. You're not supposed to be darker. You're supposed to be normal. Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Take five. Number. Cut. It's not supposed to be realize everything. You're supposed to be normal. Let's try again. Take six. Number. Cut. It's not supposed to be blue. And it's not supposed to have high pitch and low pitch at the same time. It's supposed to be normal, okay? Whoops. Sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. Take seven. Extreme cut. You are not supposed to be crying effect. You're supposed to be normal. Whoops, sorry about that. Yeah, we're very sorry about that. That's good. Now let's try this again. Cut! It's not supposed to be angry effect. You're supposed to be normal. Well, let's try it again. Take eight. Cut. DHX, the factory backwards, and Teltoon. You are not supposed to be I did too. You are not allowed to be I did too. You're supposed to have it normal, okay? You're not supposed to be I did too. You're supposed to be normal. Got it? Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Let's have another shot. Take again. Or we'll just take 9. Cut. It's not supposed to be crying effect. You're supposed to be normal, okay? Whoops, sorry about that. That's good. Take 10. Number. Cut. It's not supposed to be crying effect. And it's not supposed to have different pitches. Let's try again. Take 11. Cut. It's not supposed to be super fast. Whoops, sorry about that. Alright, now we can try again for the final. But this is your warning. The factory backwards Teltoon original production DHX. Screw up again, then you're fired. Alright, let's take the last one. Take the last one. Hold on. Perfect! We got it right. This will be published on the station ID. Yay! We got it right.